Now I am going to make it a little bit difficult. Level 2 is going to be a little bit difficult, so I'm going to add the enemy over here. I have taken this ladybug and I want my spider to move here on this platform. When I receive, I want this spider to be visible when it is in level 2. When I receive, going to level 2, it should be visible, and when the flag is clicked, it should be hidden. Now you can see that the spider is gliding from one place to another place. Now in this one, I want to change the position of the coin. This coin which is here, I want this coin to be here. So let's do coding that when I receive second level, again I'm going to switch the costumes, and this one will also be duplicated. So only this thing that when I receive going to level 2, I want the same thing to be happen, right? Okay, the same coding I have to apply to coin 2 and 3, and I want the second coin to be here. Okay, so let's change the position to motion and go to this position. Now I have fixed the position of the coin in my second level, and I also done the coding of, like, if it is they are touched by the cat in the level 2, they are going to change the costume. I have fixed the position by using go to block, and again I also use the same coding for level 2. If they are going to level 2 and if they are touched by the cat, the coins value are going to change. I think we can remove this one, it's not required. I want one more spider here, and I want my door to be here in this level. Let's fix the position of the door in the first level. So when the flag is clicked, when I receive going to level 2, the position is going to change. Now in second level, I want my door to be here. Okay, so I'm going to duplicate this ladybug. Okay, now I want to fix the position here. So if you want the speed to be less, let's make it 2. I have done the coding for the ladybug. If my cat is in second level and if it is touching the ladybug, any of them, okay, these two ladybugs, it has to wait until it is touching. And then I have also created a variable lives, and I set the variable when the flag is clicked, the value of the variable lives is 3, means I have 3 life. Okay, and if this cat is touched by this spider or the ladybug, this is going to be reduced, the life is going to be reduced by -1. So this is the coding for the same. Okay, my life has been reduced, you can see over here. Okay, it is 0. So when my life is 0, everything is stopped. That coding is also here. If life equals to 0, everything is going to stop. So again, if my cat is here at this position, so my x value is going to be greater than, let's say, 180, 190, and y value is going to be greater than 50. This coding is also here. So I'll get the winner screen. Now what is the winner screen? I have created the costume for the instructions also. This is the normal background. This is my instruction screen, and this is my winner screen. So I'll get this winner screen only if I'll getting the key and I'm getting this position. So I have to create another key for my second level. Now when the flag is clicked, my second key is hidden, and when I am entering to my second level, it is shown. I'm changing it up and down, gliding it, and if it is touching the cat, it has to broadcast a message that it has got the key for the second level. In the second level, now when the cat is getting this message, and if it is going over here, so I already told you that if the x position is greater than 180 and y position is greater than 50, it will broadcast the message to display the winner screen. Okay, so when this message is received with the stage, when the flag is clicked, my instructions area should be here, so that is for the instruction. BG2 is instructions, and then if after I have also created the start button, so if I click on the start button, I'll get it is broadcasting a message, you should start the game. So when the flag is clicked, it is shown, this is the start button, and when I click on the start button, that is when I click on this sprite, it will broadcast the message and it is going to be hidden. When my stage is receiving the message start game, it is showing the normal backdrop, that is BG, this one, and when it is receiving the winner, it is going to show this backdrop. When I receive win screen, it is going to show the backdrop. So that is for the backdrop. Let's play the game again. I got my key, and this is how I'll get my winner screen. So let's see the coding, understand the coding again. That's for the cat. Now this is for moving up. When I'm pressing the up arrow key, I'm changing the value of up as 1 to make it scratch understand that I'm pressing the up arrow key, and the value of y is going to change by 10, and it is going to be repeated by 10 times. So here we have to understand two things. My cat is going to come down until it is touching this color, so if it is not touching the color, it will come down, and if my up arrow key is not pressed, it has to come down, so it will change the color. Then why I have used this one, because I don't want my cat to pass through this. If it is touching this color, it should come down. Okay, and after that, this is for setting the lives, as I have got enemies in my second level. This is for the movement left and right, and pointing towards the left and right hand side. Now this is for level 2. I have to check the position whether my cat is in second level, whether it is touching this door or not. So that's for the second level. If it is, my cat is touching any of the bug, then I'm changing the life by 1. This wait until not touching this and this is just because I don't want to continuously decrease my lives. If I won't put it, just check this out, just don't put this wait until block and just put this change lives. What will happen, your life will become negative, they will go into negative value. And that's for the first level. Then when it is receiving the first level, when it is getting the first key, you can see over here, when it is getting the first key, this is the first level key, and if it is touched by the cat, it is broadcasting the message that key for level 2. So when my cat is receiving this message, key for level 2, it is going to check the position, and then it will broadcast the message that you should enter to the second level. Similarly for this one, the second key, my key is touching the cat in second level, it will broadcast a message that it has got the key. Now when my cat will receive this message, it will check the position of the cat near this door, and then it will broadcast the message win screen. So when the backstage will receive the win screen, it will broadcast the message that you should display the win screen, which is this one. Okay, so that was the coding for cat. And then there will be a problem, so this I'll keep it for you. Just try to understand it on your own. In case you are not able to understand, do let me know in the comment section. I will tell you why I put this script over there. So the life, if it is 0, everything is going to be stopped. Now level 1, it is I'm going to fix the position by using the go to block, and then it should be hidden when the instructions are there. Okay, and then when I'm receiving start game message, means I'm entering my level 1, it should be shown, and then this stage should be hidden when I'm entering my level 2, and also it should be hidden when I'm receiving the message winner screen. Similarly for level 2, it should be instruction area, and it should be hidden when I'm receiving the message win screen. When my winner screen is there, it should be hidden. Coins is I set it to 0. Then when I'm receiving the start game, I'm fixing the position of each coin by using the go to block, and then the next costume. I want that whenever they are appearing in any level, they should have their first costume, and then they should change the costume also. Similarly, they have to change the costume in second level. That's the coding for the second level, and I also change the position in second level. Now if I am touching them in any of the level, then you have to take the coding, change the value by 1, and then when you want to hide them, first of all they should be hidden when the instruction is there, and then you want to hide them in the winner screen, and once they are touched by the cat, you are also hiding them. So you have to show them before when they are in level 2. So I'm showing it over here, and the same thing applies to each and every coin. You have to duplicate this for your second level also. When you are in second level, again, if the coin value is to be incremented whenever the cat is touching the coin. And I have got 2 keys, one for the first level, one for the second level. If you want, you can have the same key, but I just created the 2 keys here because they are broadcasting different messages. So when this key, first key is to be shown when it is in the first level and it is gliding, and if it is touched by the cat, it is broadcasting the message that you have got the key for second level, which is received by the cat here. Now when this cat will receive this key and this message will be broadcasted by the key, the next thing cat has to do is to go to this position. So you are comparing the position, then you are entering the second level. And the door position I'm changing in the first level and the second level. This is the first level and second level, and then where I'm hiding them and showing them. Similarly, the start button where it has to be shown and where it has to be hidden. The ladybug, it is only in the second level, so where you have to hide and show. And then gliding them, that's for the second ladybug, and this is for the second key in the second level, where it has to be shown, where it has to be hidden. In the second level, it is going to glide up and down, and then if it is touched by the cat, it is broadcasting the message got the key for the winner. So when this cat is receiving the message got key, it will check the position of the cat in the second level. So when this second key will broadcast the message got key, it will be received by the cat, and the cat position should be here somewhere. It should be greater than 180 and 50 here. Only if it will broadcast the message winner screen, and when it will broadcast the message winner screen, it will be shown by the backdrop is going to switch to the winner screen. This one, that is BG3. This is all the coding for this platformer game. Hope you will find it easier to make, and if you have any doubt and difficulty, of course you can write in the comment section below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.